Hi everybody, my name is JB and I know that a lot of you have watched Erwan News's video on the Chupa Culo. Now we know that this guy is a popular celebrity in the Philippines and thanks to him that he featured our city, Zamboanga City, and its very delicious shellfish dish, Chupa Culo. I know a lot of you enjoyed watching him suck out that meat from the shell. And indeed, that meat is very delicious and is not known among other islands in the Philippines, but is very popular in our city, Zamboanga City. Now today, I'm gonna teach you how to prepare this delicious dish, de Zamboanga City. So come on now and follow me to the kitchen. Let us start first with our ingredients. Kangkong, onion, garlic, ginger, coconut milk, our Chupa Culo shells, oil, and for our seasoning, we are only gonna use salt and sugar. Now let us prepare our shells. Este es el Chupa Culo and necesitas por este corta de pollo na bulis and la cabeza para poder quitar chupa seguramente el laman suyo. So, tayo kita para un polo na piedra o na cemento. You must know that these shells come from the mangrove mud. It is very important to clean it very well by rinsing it several times. Or you can soak the shells overnight and allow it to make all the excretions in the water. So una, debe corta kita na medyo. No, yan sina. No, yan sina. Ese tupaw, ese rezo. Chop in the middle, pulling back the meat from the bottom half. Trim also the top. Rinse until water is clear. Now that we are finished with our shells, let us go back into the kitchen. Pluck out the leaves from the kangkong. Chop all other ingredients. Heat the frying pan and saute the garlic, onion, and ginger. So ahora tagisa kita con el ginger, garlic, and con el onion. Sabroso, ya sale el olor del ginger and garlic. Sabroso. Stir fry for 3 minutes. Pour coconut milk. Sprinkle some salt. Bring to a boiling point to produce those milk curds. Kulo ya, kung matapos ng gulay. Put in leafy vegetables and let it simmer. Okay, so ahora, aquí natin itong kulo ya, ya pon natin ang gulay, todo. Last ingredient natin conecta poco sugar. Tiene poco sweet taste. Then mix again. This meal is very nutritious. You get protein from the meat, omega-3 fatty acids, and are very low in calories. This meal also contains high amounts of iron, zinc, magnesium, and vitamin B12. So this is my Chupa Culo recipe. Come. Show. Calcium and potassium you get from the coconut milk, and high amounts of vitamin A and C from the kangkong. This is the Zamboangenos Chupa Culo. Suba kita. El Chupa Culo. Kaya pusiyo. Pasarel, laman. This meal is best eaten with rice around the family table. To make it even more nutritious, you can add squash, or if you wanted a spicy meal, you can always add chili peppers. For exact measurements, please see the description below. Let us now see what the Elago family has to say about my cooking.
Yeah. You expert. Super. 5 tayo.
Now let's listen to Mama Lu for some tips.
So yun, ito ba yun? It's my favorite because I live in Puruan. Because the best vegetable that goes with Marisco is really the fern. The young part of the fern, which we call paku. Okay?
Ito sabi si Malu.
Okay, thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I would like to thank my Lola for offering us her house, her utensils, and also to my wife Claudette for giving me the recipe on the Chupa Culo. As a token for everybody, I'm gonna give out a brand new smartwatch if you will be able to answer my question on my next video. So, for you to be able to watch my next video, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. And since we have already seen the Elago family and Erwan Yusuf trying the Chupa Culo shell, what about other Zamboangenos? Or even our city mayor? Do you think Mayor Beng Climaco will be able to suck out the meat from the Chupa Culo shell? Do you want to find out? Follow me to City Hall in the next video.